Welcome to my channel, The Practical Magic of Frugal Living. In this episode, I'm going to share a recipe that I call, in a pinch, dishwasher detergent. Now, I love this soap for many reasons, and the first one being it is cheap. And at the end of this video, I'm actually going to show you how cheap it is. Also, it's fine for the environment, it's non-toxic, and there isn't any packaging because you're making it from scratch. And it only takes 4 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. So, in order to get the best results from this detergent, you're going to want to rinse your dishes before you put them in the dishwasher. Now, this is how my grandma taught me to load a dishwasher, and I do it no matter what. This detergent is not going to scour pots and pans with caked on stuff, but it'll work in a pinch. So, the 4 ingredients that you need are baking soda, salt, some dish soap, and sugar-free lemonade. It's really important that it's sugar-free and that it's lemonade, not another flavor. So you want to add half a cup of baking soda to a bowl, and then add half a cup of salt to that. Next, you want to add 1 or 2 packages of the sugar-free lemonade. If you're cheap, just use 1. You don't actually have to use any, but it adds a nice fresh smell and extra scouring power. Then you just want to add enough dish soap to create a paste. So just mix it up and it'll start to foam because the baking soda and the citric acid are mixing together in a chemical reaction that helps get your dishes clean. And that's about it. I mean, once the foam goes down, you can actually use it right away even if it's still moist, but usually I let it sit overnight and it becomes like a powder, and you use about 1 tablespoon per load, and from this recipe you'll get 7 loads of dishes. But you know, besides putting in in a jar, one of my favorite things to do is put it into an ice cube tray, and then you can make your own dishwasher pods. So here are dishes that were washed in this actual detergent recipe. They smell good, they're clean, there's no streaks. The silverware turns out shiny, it works well. The question is it worth it to spend time making this and having to rinse the dishes off? Well, in terms of saving money, absolutely. Your standard detergent is somewhat toxic and it's 17 cents a pod, and if you want organic good detergent, it's 22 cents a pod. But my cubes are only 6 cents per wash. So yay for the environment, yay for creativity, and yay for saving money. Yes, it's worth it. Thank you so much for tuning into the practical magic of frugal living, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel.